Welcome back. Today we are going to be fitting a new exhaust to my Clubsport. I've gone for the 2.5 inch red back exhaust. I've had the car for 9 years. It's been in storage for 7. I've always wanted to keep it standard, but I also want to make it sound a bit more like a V8 because it's very quiet with the standard exhaust on it. So yeah, we'll get her on the hoist and we'll start getting it on there. Okay, she's up on the hoist, ready to go. I've got my transmission jack here to support one end when it comes off. I've already gone through and taken all these clips off the rubbers because they're a bit of a pain. So it's just a matter of 4 bolts and a few rubbers, and then it should come off pretty easy. I was hoping to get this video out a couple of weeks ago when I ordered the exhaust, but when it showed up, somehow the back half was missing somewhere in between Queensland and Tasmania, so someone's got a new back half of an exhaust. Got a few other projects here to play around with and make a few videos. I've got the RB26 180SX there. It's running fine, and then I parked it. Now all of a sudden it seems to be a 4-cylinder again. So whether it's plugs or out of fuel or something like that, not sure, but we'll have a look at that one. Got my other 180SX there with an LS1. Got plenty to do on that one. It runs and drives, but a lot of things need to be tidied up. I've got a twin turbo kit to put on it, so that one will be a fun one. Got the old VL there. Got it pretty cheap, so I'll turn that one into a bit of a series when we get to it. And also I've got the Patina VN up on the other hoist. And I've got the VY Calais with the L67 donor car for that one. So that should be a fun one too. So yeah, if you like the content, I'd love to have you subscribe and show some support. Even send a few comments and stuff. Let me know what you want to see and how you want me to format it, sort of thing. So it's a bit hard to get to. There we go. Right. Try and get this out. Alright, she's off. I'll put it aside just in case I want to change it back and keep it standard. Alright, time for the new one. Really excited about this. Hope it fits good. Let's hang in there now. Get rid of this thing. Couple of new gaskets. Packaging is pretty good. All right. Seems to line up pretty good so far. I went for the 2.5 inch just to sort of make it sound a little bit better. I wasn't really chasing power. Got the other fun cars for that. It's just more to get more of a V8 sort of note out of it. And also the 2.5 inch was about half the price of a 3 inch, so yeah, sort of made sense. Pretty long bolts. Alright. Just realised I fucked up a little bit. I left the old gaskets on there. Oh, well. She'll be right. Alright, now the back half. Ooh, it's actually hitting the drive shaft. Do something about that. See if we can get this on here. That's on. Yeah, it's not the most perfect fit, is it? It's hitting the bumper. Got clearance there now with these rubbers off. Might have to work something out for this. So just running the one rubber, which is stretched pretty tight. This one isn't going to be on there because that makes it hit the drive shaft. And also up the back here, just the one on this side. It's not a perfect fit, but it'll do for now, and I'll just have to work something out later on. It's not quite lining up properly either. I guess that's the price you pay when you go for the cheaper option, I suppose. him along. Alright, that's one. Pretty close to the drive shaft as well. So we'll put that one down for now, I think. Looks pretty ugly. I'll come back and fix it up a bit better than that. Alright, well, it's on. It's not perfect, but it'll do for now. That looks horrible. That's way off now. It's the option of the cheaper exhaust, I guess, which is annoying. But alright, we'll bring it down and have a listen to it. Alright, we'll take it for a bit of a drive and see how she sounds on the road. Already sounds so much deeper. Alright. So much deeper. A lot louder. And there we have it. 2.5-inch exhaust upgrade for the Clubsport. So if you want to see some more videos, hit the subscribe and leave some comments, and we'll get on to the next one. Alright, thanks guys.